Ever felt like you're juggling cryptocurrencies? Imagine you've been on a buying spree, scooping up some Bitcoin after that latest price dip. You've got your eye on a hot new NFT project, but all your crypto is chilling in your digital wallet. How do you get those funds over to Coinbase to fuel your next crypto adventure? Fear not, crypto comrades. Transferring funds between your wallet and Coinbase is actually a breeze. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of crypto transfers, guiding you through the process step by step. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto newbie, this video will have you moving your coins with confidence. Now, there's a key distinction to make here. Are you transferring between your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet app? These are actually two separate platforms, although owned by the same company. Don't worry, the process is similar for both, so we'll cover them one at a time. Scenario 1. Transferring crypto from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet app. Let's say you want to grab some of that Bitcoin chilling in your main Coinbase account and move it over to your Coinbase wallet app for easier NFT hunting. Here's how to make it happen. Boot up the app. First things first, grab your phone and launch the glorious Coinbase app. Find the transfer button, look for the transfer or send crypto option. It might be tucked away in a menu, but don't worry, you'll find it. Choose your weapon. Once you've located the transfer function, you'll be presented with a list of your crypto holdings. Pick the Bitcoin, or whichever crypto you want to move, like you're choosing your champion in a fighting game. Destination, Coinbase wallet. Now comes the crucial part. You need to specify where you're sending this crypto. Here's the key, select the option that says Coinbase Wallet or something similar. This tells Coinbase you're transferring within their ecosystem, not sending it out to some far-flung corner of the cryptoverse. Amount and confirmation, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and double-check everything looks good. Fees might be involved, so keep an eye out for those before hitting that confirmation button. The big move, once you're confident, confirm the transfer. And just like that, your Bitcoin should be on its way to your Coinbase wallet app, ready to be unleashed on the NFT market. Scenario 2. Transferring crypto from your Coinbase wallet app to your Coinbase account. Maybe you've been busy flipping NFTs and have a bunch of Ethereum stacked up in your Coinbase wallet app. Now you want to move it back to your main Coinbase account for some safekeeping or perhaps to trade for another cryptocurrency. Here's what to do. Open the vault, unlock your Coinbase wallet app and get ready to transfer. Hit send, look for the send button. It's your gateway to moving your crypto around. Pick your crypto, from the list of assets, choose the Ethereum or whichever crypto you want to transfer. Destination, Coinbase account. Here's where it gets a little different. This time, you need to select the option that specifies your Coinbase account as the receiving address. Amount and double check, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send and meticulously review everything. Don't forget to factor in any transfer fees. Confirmation time, once you're happy, confirm the transfer and watch those precious coins migrate back to your main Coinbase account. Important tips for safe and smooth transfers. Remember, when transferring crypto, accuracy is paramount. Double, even triple check those wallet addresses before hitting confirm. Sending crypto to the wrong address is a recipe for lost coins, and unfortunately, those transactions are usually irreversible. Take advantage of network fees. Depending on the crypto and network you choose, transaction fees can vary. Coinbase offers different transfer speeds, with faster options typically incurring higher fees. Consider your urgency and choose the network that best suits your needs. Security first, always ensure you're logged into the official Coinbase app and website. Beware of phishing scams that try to trick you into sending your crypto to the wrong address. That's it, folks. With these steps and a healthy dose of caution, you'll be a crypto transfer pro in no time. Now you can move your cryptocurrencies between your Coinbase account and your Coinbase wallet app with confidence.